Good morning, guys. Chris at Dentless Touch back again with another paintless dent repair video. This time around I'm going to do like a time lapse on a hail car. I'm gonna be working on one of these bad boys. It's got hail damage all over it, so I'm just gonna bring you along. I'm not gonna kind of talk during this video. I'm just gonna give you some time lapse. Hopefully you guys pick up some techniques and some strategies that we use. I'm probably gonna have one of my technicians help me out, and I may have Ryan come from Waldorf to help me out also. So just so we can get this job done before the end of the month. It is now the 26th of February, or it's the 27th of February right now. And so we would love to get this repair done before the 28th, get it built, and just make it a strong month. So bring you guys along, enjoy the content, enjoy the videos that I'm putting out, enjoy this video, and appreciate all the great feedback. Keep watching.
guys? Brian from Dentless Touch. You don't got Chris this time on the outro. You got me. What you just seen is a nice time lapse of us going ahead and tag teaming this Ford Transit. What we did was a different method of getting this done. We didn't work over top of each other. We worked opposite ends to get this job done. Me on the roof, Chris on the sides, knocking it out, getting the job done, making sure we get this done efficiently. That's the key to getting this type of big jobs done, especially on hail repairs, especially with stuff that has a lot of dents like this roof had, like this rail had, you know, different things and different aspects of it. But stay dent free and peace. I think that's what Chris does.